Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am the Traveling Man. If you know me, you know I travel all the time, taking road trips, taking whatever. And so this is going to hopefully help me out here. This is the KuWFi, and it is a wireless 5G router. So I should be able to just suck in the signal and get internet wherever I am. And it's got a Wi-Fi 6 signal, so it'll suck in the cellular signal and send out the Wi-Fi to me. So how cool is that? So let's see how this works here. So a hotspot, it's like a hotspot. So this one here says 5G router with SIM card, user manual. So this is all the instructions for it. So we'll see if we can kind of figure out some of that. We will open it up here. And this is it here. It's a decent size. And then it's got the power here. I don't know if it needs to be plugged in. It probably needs batteries and stuff to use it, but what is this here at the bottom? Oof, can't open it. I'll show you guys all the pieces and parts here in a second. So there's our battery compartment in there. So the battery is plugged in. And it is, I guess it does have a battery. I guess it probably just needs to be charged. And then we've got the traditional ports here. We have power, we have a LAN. So if we have a computer or something like that we wanted to go directly into, we could use that. We have USB-C. I guess that's going to be probably for power. We have our SIM card location, reset, and WPS, which is nice. Like my printer and some of my other devices have the WPS, so you just push that button, push it on the other side, and it makes its own connection. So that's going to be the router there. We have in here, in this box here, so we have the power adapter here. So this is going to give us our power and as well as a Ethernet cable. We have another box. Do we have another box? No, we don't. Everything else is just empty stuff. So this is it here. So we'll give this thing a try here and see if we can connect it up. I think I have a port under my computer here to get it going. And then we will give it a try. I don't know if it comes with a SIM card or not. If not, I have a SIM card in my other room. I don't have a port. So let me go get my SIM card and my setting thing for it. I'll be right back. Okay, I got myself a SIM card. I just had this one here, whatever. I stuck it in the back of there. And now I am connecting to it. And up here it says, enter the SSID and network password. So it had that little Wi-Fi there. So let's go ahead and connect up to it. So now I should be connecting to it as it says. So now it says I am connected to this Wi-Fi. So now let's see if it says so it says connected. I can see my details on it here. So my router is 192.168.8.1. So let's see if I can try to go to that. 192.168.8.1. And there I am at the username and password. And I don't know what these are going to be. Let's see. It's admin and admin is the default ones. So we'll see if this will work here. ADMIN. Oops. Nothing's typing. ADMIN. ADMIN. Change it now. I don't want to change it now. Okay, so there. Now we are connected to our little router. And so we have our settings here, and we can see our user list. So it's probably going to have me. So it's got my one current user on there right now. I don't know if you guys can see it here. So I don't know if I can move you any closer than this. Probably can't, but you'll have to trust me. But then we have our Wi-Fi settings. We can change our Wi-Fi name and all of that information there. We have our different apps, I guess, that we can kind of set up on this device here to test things out. We have our network status. So it's cool. It says it's disconnected from the internet at the moment because I need to set up my SIM card. But how cool is that you have a little, this little device here, and it looks like it's gonna run off a battery too once it's going there, and it'll connect up to 5G and to that. And to put the little SIM card in, I just had to push this little thing in there. Let me see, I'll show you guys here. If it even says the SIM card's in or out. When it comes out, see there, now it's out. So there's my little SIM card. It's tiny, and it fits in that way there. So let's see if I don't even know if I pushed it in. There, it should be in now. And now it says the SIM, is it up here? It had settings up there somewhere. But I'll go in there and set up my SIM card, and then I should have internet access on my currently on my laptop, but then on my devices when I travel from this. And it'll be nice, fast internet because it'll be the 5G stuff. So totally awesome. So KuWFi, pick up this thing here. You'll be all set to go. It even has the ports and everything you need. So thumbs up.